Okay, so I got this pre-stretch expression hair. I got one in a bright red color, well, two in a bright red color and two in a burgundy color, but I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm parting my hair in a curved parted section. This is where I normally wear like my regular parts, like when I flat iron my hair or whatever. So I'm just going to be parting that from the back of that part to my ear, clipping that off, and then doing the same thing to the other side. But on the other side, I'm going to do like a curved, like a semi-curved part, because on this side, I'm going to be having box braids. So yeah, you can see it's kind of like a half moon shape, and I'm going to connect those two together and pin them off. So I'm going to be parting the section out in the back of my head, just a straight line across so that I can start my box braids. And I'm going to be sectioning the top hair off. I'm going to be using Hicks Edge Control to apply to my hair so that I can do my braids so they can be smooth. It comes 3 little bundles in each pack, and for one bundle I separated it in half, and then I separated the half in 3 pieces. So basically each bundle is 6 pieces of hair, so that means each pack of hair is 18 braids. Okay, so I stretched it to my desired length. Even though it's pre-stretched, I stretch it a little bit more just so I could make it a little longer because it wasn't as long as I wanted it to be. So I just began to do a regular box braid. Obviously, I can't see the back of my own head. As you see, I'm just literally feeling for it and I'm looking at the wall. So I'm just braiding all the way down, really nothing to it. Oh, and if you see that little flyaway hair, I end up smoothing that down with some Hicks Edge Control. Some people clip theirs off, some people smooth theirs down. If they were too bad, I clipped them off. If not, I smoothed them down with the Hicks edges. Other than that, that's about it. So I'm just gonna fast forward for the rest of this braiding part. It's pretty self-explanatory. I know my parts aren't perfect. I can't really see the back of my head that well, so I was like doing my best trying to feel for it. If you're doing this on someone else, I would suggest doing smaller braids, but I really want to be done, and it took me a really long time to do it, and I braid slow, and obviously I'm doing it on myself. So yeah, if you're doing it on somebody else, I suggest you do smaller braids, and if you're doing it on yourself, I suggest you find something really good to watch.
Fit the streets, I put in work. I'm in the dirt, nigga. Yeah, I put in work. I've been flexing so damn hard, I put in work. I'm a sturdy. Shout out to my daddy, he a real nigga. Show me more to life than just to kill niggas. Fuck a 9 to 5 cause I can't deal, nigga. I'ma get my own shit cause I can build niggas. I'm grinding my nigga, I shine on you niggas ain't fucking with me. do so much shit to make it lose her. Need me a new whip so I can cruise her. Need me a new house so I can cool her. Closer with the gang, you know we bullin'.
Okay, so at this point, I'm parting off my sections to go ahead and begin braiding. I'm doing it a little curved. I'm just really trying to follow the way that I had parted it out. So if you see the little triangle, I'm going to be making the braids thinner in the top and then thicker at the back. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm just going to be starting out with a little braid, and then I'm going to be doing a little feed-in braid. This is the same way I always do my feed-in braids. And bear with me because the mirror I'm using is super small and I'm in my bedroom. So yeah, I kind of struggle with this. But So this is where the hard part came in. This is literally 2 days later. I started my hair on Thursday, and this is Saturday morning. So yeah, braiding forward. It took me so long to grasp the concept of how to do this. This is so hard for me. If y'all know how to do this, kudos to y'all. And don't talk about my struggle braids, because I'm not gonna lie. The front of my head, I don't know. It's a little struggle. But this was my first time ever braiding forward. I did the best I could. This was my first time ever braiding forward, let alone feed in braiding forward. So yeah, like really bear with me because I struggled. But if you're doing your own hair, I hope this helped you out. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally completely finished, and this is the end result. I'm just gonna step back so y'all can see everything. So I went ahead and put some little beads on there, put some strings, some little jewels. Not too many, just a little bit. Um, yeah, let me turn around so y'all can see. So I don't know how I feel about it yet because I feel like the red is so bright, but I'm liking on them a little bit or whatever. I think they're cool. I'm proud of myself that I actually did it because I literally gave up. Like, I started my hair 2 days ago. It wasn't no reason that it took me this long to finish my hair. Like, I could have finished the day I started. But you know what? It's okay. Finally finished, finally done. And I hope y'all like them. I hope y'all enjoy the video. I hope I've inspired a hairstyle because I never really seen this hairstyle exactly like this. So, you know, maybe it's going to be a little trend or something. But I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. And, well, I don't really know if it was a tutorial. More of a DIY. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank y'all for watching. Consistent all summer 18 swoosh. Hey. And I'm doing a Mexico vlog, so stay tuned for that. That should be coming out. This should be coming out on a Friday, which is a week after I'm recording it. And I'm currently in Mexico now, so the video should be coming out. Actually, it should be the next video, which is Tuesday. So